7532.
That's us.
Yay!
Woo!
All right.
Got it.
We finally got in the door smoothly this time. Normally
It's been a while since we've done that.
All right.
Ooh.
What do we get?
We got our pre-ordered drinks.
Oh, nice.
Nice. We are in stateroom 7532 aboard the Disney Magic. This room is a veranda balcony room. So starting off, we've got the bed. I've heard great things about Disney beds and linen, so very excited. Let's see. Oh, that is pretty comfy. It's not very firm, so if you prefer a firm bed, it's not very firm, but I think that will do the trick. A lot of good storage here. We'll actually be here for 6 nights, which is our longest cruise so far. So we will be needing as much storage as we can get. So 2 drawers and then a set of shelves. And then we have a curtain separating the main bed from the couch, which, as I understand, pulls out into another bed. So you can close the curtains and have more of a private room if you have additional guests with you. And then we've got a TV, pretty standard for a cruise ship, and a really nice desk area. So this will be great to have access to. Again, a lot of storage and a cooler. Yep, looks like a cooler, no ice maker. And finally, we have the balcony. And we're currently in San Juan, so a little bit different of scenery than what we're used to. This is a nice sized balcony. Great place to enjoy your coffee or a cocktail in the evening. And like I said, the scenery in San Juan with the mountains in the background it's very impressive. So now that we're back in the room, just a couple more items to show you. We have a good amount of hanging storage, which is great, separated by sliding doors. We've got maybe 4 adult life vests and maybe a child's life vest, and I'm sure you can get that amended as you need to. Great hanging storage. One thing that I'm very excited about for Disney is there is self-serve laundry services. So if you need to wash clothes, you can do that on board. And then as well as they have irons and ironing boards available. So as we know, you can't normally bring a steamer or an iron on board. So having that available for guest use is very exciting. And the last exciting thing about this room is a little Disney treat for the bathrooms. So we've got a washroom with just a toilet and a sink, but you notice there's no shower in here. So we're going to go to the second, behind door number 2 is another sink and the shower. So that's great, especially when you're in close quarters, being able to keep your toothbrush separate from the toilet, and as well having multiple people sharing a room, having the toilet separate from the shower is just a really nice touch. So excited to experience that for the next few days. So that is the stateroom tour for stateroom 7532, and we hope you enjoyed it.